Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to Nioh 2. This is part 10, and in the last one we completed the Viper Sanctum where we squared off against that big old snake. It wasn't too difficult, you should go check it out if you want to see that. But in this one we will be doing a favor for the Blacksmith. That is a side mission. But a little update, we got new gear. I'm trying to complete the Lone Wolf collection and I just want to stick with that the rest of the game and keep leveling it up because I like the way it looks and I like the dodge key consumption and how it's pretty low, or it gets rid of a lot of key intake, so we'll play with that for a long time, and we're going to try to complete that. So let's go to a favor for the Blacksmith, but first off let's check the status. We're level 32 for this mission. This is a level 17 mission. We should be very well over leveled for it, so let's get into it. I've got a small favor to ask if you remember the blacksmith Nioh. You know the girl you say back at Tatara? Well, it turns out she buried some of her valuables to stop the bandits taking them. She's planning to head back for them once the band is cleared out. Now the village is a den of yokai. It's too dangerous for her to venture into alone, and that's where you come in. She wants to go in and retrieve the items in her place. Don't let her down, will you? She's counting on you. Alright. Seems pretty straightforward. So we're going to get her valuables, and I think this is just going to be some baddies. No boss, most likely. There's nothing behind me, right? Oh, I like the way I look already. I like the way I look a lot better. I'm excited to see what the pants look like. Or the trousers or whatever. We also switched our spirit to the snake, and I want to see what that looks like. But I have never been here. Hi, dweller. Alright, we do have bullets. Do we have arrows? We've got plenty. But we also continuously upgrade our dexterity and whatnot, so come on, fight me. And you're dead. Or nearly dead. Just slice him. Take whatever you have to offer, which is small spirit stones, and we'll climb the ladders now. I can climb faster, can't I? Hi, boys. I'm here. Oh, wait, I know where we are. I know fire is just absolutely detrimental to them. So, I just need to be careful about that. And I think I'm fine. Did I miss anything in this room? No, I didn't. There's no Kodama on this level, so when there's no Kodama, you can usually assume the level will be fairly short. And we've got you. Oh, you're a good guy. You are a friend. Hello. Alright. Everything's on fire now. Oh, look. A yokai, and we still don't have... Alright, let's switch to the high stance. Let's switch to this weapon. Imbue it with fire. Oh yeah. And then a big overhead strike. Now we'll switch back to mid stance. Ow. Got me on the up strike. Alright, can I switch to elixir? Thank you. Ow. I usually never have trouble with these. I was actually checking my stats, and I haven't even died to one of these yet. I think I like the... I definitely like the Todachi, or this thing, to fight these boys. Alright, we used 2 elixir against him. That sucks, but he was guarding something. This guy probably won't give me much, but a little large spirit stone. Alright, that's worth it. Plus, just for the Amrita. Almost hit fire. So I walk through. What saw me? If anything. Can't go down there. There's not many alternate routes on this. It's a dweller. A big dweller. Ow. Let me heal. Then I will use... I want to use my new thing. Oh, I don't have any equipped, right. Oh! That did some damage. Alright, clear that. One more swing. 1, 2, 3. Clear that, and you're done. Gave me elixir back. Let's take out this dweller. Wish I could get the backstab mechanic, but I don't know how. Oh, you're big. Alright, let's switch into... Hi, I like it when you stand up. Why are you so big? One, 2, 3. I still killed him. It gave us some quality locker. I'll take that. And we'll take a water amulet. Nice. Useful against fire guys, which we might see here. Okay, clearly the way to go is down. I want to check over here, see if we're missing anything. Or not. Okay, should we go and take care of this? Oh, hi. Let's get a little lower so we can get the perfect shot on him. And we could probably use an arrow. Instead, hi, fire roller. Haven't seen one of y'all in a while. A water amulet takes care of them, but I don't know what's coming out of here, but let's go and imbue our weapon with fire. Hi. I think you are literally resistant to fire. I don't remember how you fight, and that sucks. Oh, ow. Hot. Oh, gosh. We got grabbed by that. We gotta back off. We're about to die. Alright, the burst counter is different. Alright, easy to time. Get the stab. Straight down. Alright. No! I had him, I just got too aggressive. Poopy. I didn't want to die there, but it is what it is. At least I know what's going on. And I guess I didn't really go that far. This isn't a big level either, so... Stay away. Dirty, filthy animal. Yeah. Give me your Emerita. Hi. I'm back to finish what I started. Hi. Alright, broke our guard. Oh, I have to time that way earlier. Oh, we are just smacking you. Let's heal. We definitely don't want to lose all that Emerita. Broke our guard, but ew, almost got hit. He's dead. Don't need to worry about the dweller. Just grab the, touch the grave. Alright, you've got a bow. You're dead. Take out your friend. You didn't see me. Wheel. I hate wheels. They're not my favorite. Alright, we don't need whatever it is we had, so let's just, whoop. Alright, let's fight. Holy cow. I like my feral burst counter. Ow. You do so much damage. Alright. Alright. That tracks him too, which is nice. So, if we just kind of do it before. And you are dead. Alright. Nice. Nice, and we got a soul core. I love soul cores. So, I'm gonna go grab this guy's thing too, and then we're gonna go back and level up. Yeah, we'll go there later. Grab this golden. We'll just have to fight what's-his-face one more time. Yeah, I'm going in there. Oh, he dropped gold. Here we are. Back to 6. Thank you. And now I can use that. Here we go. But for the R1 square, we want to use... Yeah, that looks dope. We're going to use them both, don't worry, but we have a level up now, and I'm doing heart. Heart is the way to go. For me right now. Oh wait, I said I was going to do Omeo Magic. Yep. Gotta do that first. Keep getting magic powers up. Because things need to stay on par. Or at least up to level. Climb faster, girl. Boy. And we're full, so I want to try that new move on this Enki. Oh, that is dope. I'm gonna let him die. Alright, he gave us an elixir too. We're up to 7 now. See? Super quick. But now we have to shoot these boys one more time. Can I not? Too far away? Maybe it's because I shot you with a matchlock? Yeah, let's do that. You're dead. Through the posts, and then let's go ahead and... I have an idea. So here's what you want to do when you see certain guys. Alright, let's go. No, I need stuff to... whatever upgrades it. Yeah, usable, I guess. Let's do the water amulet. Set it as a shortcut for now. We're not getting paralyzed, so... So when he comes back around, we shoot him. Hi. Yeah, it absolutely destroys them if you use water, but I forget how to fight this guy. Ow. You are dead. Alright, I hate those. But you don't face them that often. I can't stop myself from burning. And we get to keep moving now. Hello. There's no one here. Oh, hi. How do you not see me? Let's do this. Alright, I gotta get out. You can follow me out here in the open. Two, three, broken guard. Oh, hi. You're fine now. Quick swipe. We get hit by that. And we died. Oh my goodness. That's the first time I've died to a Yoki. Dang it. Okay, well, here we go again. I don't even think the Yoki have a weakness. Alright, we're just sprinting through. We can kill it first. We have to kill the Yoki, we have to kill the wheel. That's what we have to kill. Got it. Hi. Alright, I like that. Alright, we're backing off. No. Oh my goodness. Stagger. Alright. Jeez, can't die to a stupid Yoki again, but we might. There we go. Come on in. Ow. Ow. Okay. At least he gave us an elixir back. We've taken out everybody here. We're really struggling this level. I don't know what's behind here, but I'm kind of scared to check. Ah, a dweller, and a big one. Ow. I need to stop backtracking. I meant to heal. Alright. Stop burning. Is that way down here? Is this a second checkpoint? I would gladly take one right now. Oh, it's just a little mine. Well, I have an idea. Let's just go ahead and activate our new living weapon. Hi. I destroyed your friend. You were next. Where am I? Drop in a mid stance. No, die. Okay. Where does this lead me? Oh boy. What did that get me? A small spirit stone. Okay. So it's kind of useless. Oh, you're a tough one. You're dead, sir. Oh, that is brutal. You pick him up and throw him. Beautiful. We can pick up that gold now. Take this. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And we can probably get the drop on this guy, get some extra Amrita. I messed up. Alright, let's heal. Yeah, well now, how's it feel to get hit with your own move? What's sitting there? I don't know. Not worth it for that gold to step in that fire either. Alright, so we took a little detour to get nothing really, but some extra Amrita. Now we're at the end of the level, I think, already. Right here. Oh my gosh. That just destroyed me. Spit your fire. Alright, die, you stupid wheel. Hate those things. Hi. Got an archer on us too. Alright, search. Hi. He knows where I am. You missed. I see you up there too. And he's dead. Okay. Don't be scared to use your arrow. Or your gun. It's definitely your most... It's one of your most useful weapons. Hello. A new place to descend. Ow. Oh, I need a heal. Who else is throwing at me? Screw you. And you didn't die. And you're about to kill me. Screw you. Hi. Alright. Kill him. Didn't even need to use the stab animation. Is this where I'm supposed to be? I honestly feel like it is. Let's fight away. One, two, three. Come on. Oh, this is the end of the level. We'll come back in a sec. That is in fact the end of the level. So let's check around here. Hi, Dweller. They do that and it hurts if they get you, but it's so easy to dodge. Did you see me? Hi. Let's go. Do you want to fight? And it poisons. You're done. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Is it worth it to fight this roly-poly? Well, we gotta get up there, so yes. Yep, spit flames. I'm backing off. I can't do anything to you right now. Get out of the flames and fight me. Or roll in the house. One, two, three. Okay. Go team. Okay. Now we can go up there. Oh, shoot. Do I want to fight this? The answer is yes. So let's go. What is it? Ah, hello again. Come out. I'll do my burst counter in a second. Yeah, I like the feral burst counter better. Hi. Hi, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can stab him to death. Let's go. Alright, you're easy to take care of. A black goose helmet, and he gave us 2 elixir. Thank you, buddy. Alright, worth it for the chest. Ooh, and we get a bunch of purple stuff. Yay. We can climb up this. Okay, we've been that way. But we can hit these rooftops before we head on to that final boss of the level, at least. Hello. Ooh, gave us 5 sacred arrows. Definitely worth it. We missed something, but it's okay. Don't fall. Okay, and then I think that's it. Didn't hit that rooftop, I guess, but whatever. We'll call it there. Let's drop down. Yeah, so this is the final boss of this level. Hello. It's gonna be a new guy, isn't it? Alright, well, I want to be able to pull out this if I need to. Let's go. I actually got a good bit of damage on him. And how's it feel? 1, 2, 3. And we can go at him now. Alright, he re-upped his thing. Dead? Nope. Yeah, burn. This is tough. I shielded. I got really lucky there. I got burst counter. Can't burst counter that one. As we run straight through some flames. We can that one, though. No. You will not get another hit right now. This is all me. Alright. Okay, we healed up. Oh, he did 3. Let's go. And a seething dragon, an upgraded Dara thing, whatever. I don't know what it's called. And you got Kakachuchi's Magata. I don't know what is going on here. But that's the mission. And we can take this stuff. And a large spirit stone. Oh, I see. Once I come in, I can't get out, right? I can't even drop down there. That's weird. Okay. Well, I guess I'll take the soul core. Nice. Now let's just go forward. It's a long side mission. I didn't expect it to be that long. I did die twice, so... That's my own doing, but that was a fun one. I like those little hammer guys. I like facing them. And I was sort of a fan of the new snake thingy. The new spirit thing. We got some stuff for it. Soul cores were purified. And now, yeah, that'll take place at that. Yeah, the new one. Oh wait, it's this one. Is it the same thing? Yeah, it is. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. Okay. Let's go upgrade. We'll have 1, 2. I lied. I want to do heart and heart. Let's do heart and dexterity. Dexterity, gotta keep working on it. And this gets us a samurai skill point. Plus 9 ninjutsu power. And some stuff against poison and paralysis. So let's upgrade that. We're at level 35 now. Nice, so that was a favor for the blacksmith. And the next one we will be doing, not a greedy hunter, the search, which I think is I don't know what that is, but I don't know what that could mean. I think it might be like Voice in the Twilight, where we just or we go and fight a bunch of waves of enemies, but that'll be the next one. But anyways, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to subscribe and see more, well, then you can subscribe. But anyways, that's it for me. I'm out.